Rain on my window, on the 6th floor I stare. Dead phone on the dresser, wet shoes by the chair. You left a note in the hallway, half-torn coffee stain. I read your first 2 lines, then the room changed names. And I've been turning that same key in a lock that won't forgive. Every minute got a new shade, every scar got a face to live. I hear the storm on the glass now, like a church in a back alley. Pull me down, pull me through. If you ever see me, say you found me. Rain on my window, it knows my name. Rain on my window keeps the dark the same. Hold me, then go. Leave me the glow. Rain on my window, I still feel your ghost. Corner store, neon on my jacket. I came back with empty hands. Bus stop smoke on the pavement, new cracks in the plans. Old heads on the stoop said, boy, that hurt gonna slow. But I learned how to carry it like a box I never show. And the drums in my chest keep changing like a train through broken sleep. One day rage, one day mercy, one day all I got is deep. I let the rain rewrite my name on the glass in silver lines. If I lose myself tonight, maybe I'll come back alive. Rain on my window, it knows my name, it knows my name. Rain on my window, keeps the dark the same. Hold me, then go. Leave me the glow. Rain on my window, I still feel your glow. If I break, let it be honest. If I fall, let it be slow. I was built from these cold rooms and the love that wouldn't grow. Now the skyline in my memories moves like smoke through